The closure of approach road to Sonchi Primary School by mining company has caused serious inconvenience to students and staff. Children are forced to walk nearly half a kilometer to reach the school, and while the midday meal vehicle is also unable to access the premises. As a result, the cooked meals have to be carried by hand to the school. Parents and locals have urged the government to immediately intervene and reopen the road, highlighting safety concerns and disruption to the essential school services.
हो पळय सोनशी शाळेचो रस्तो प्राथमीक शाळा ही केन्ना आमी जावच्या पयलींच्यान शाळा आसा आनी शाळेचो रोड पळय एक प्रायवेट कंपनीन बंद करून दवरलेलो आसा. शाळे कडेन वयतलो जाल्यार गाडी व्हरूंक मेळना. भुरग्यांक रोडा वयल्यान चलोन वयचें पडटा. प्रायवेट कंपनीन स्टॉप केल्लो आसा पळय रोड. आनी मेन म्हटल्यार पंचायतीन हांगा एक्शन घेवन पंचायतीन ऑलरेडी लेटरां पावल्लीं आसा. एक्शन घेवन तेंच्यांनी काय हे करून रोड करून दिवना.